The future of UI/UX design, front-end, back-end, databases, and APIs, opportunities and scope after learning. Introduction. Ever wondered what the future holds for web development and technology careers? In this video, we'll dive deep into the exciting prospects for front-end development, back-end development, databases, and APIs. We'll explore each area in detail, including the skills you'll gain, future trends, and career opportunities that await you. 3 types of developer. Front-end. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Foundation, Backbone Framework. Do the creation of user-friendly web pages, god of screen visuals and functionality, able to creatively solve user-centered issues. Are creative, imaginative, innovative, and empathetic. Backend. Learn PHP, Python, Ruby, Server Program, SQL, Oracle. Do the building and maintaining of the web server, application, and database, ensuring front-end operations are smooth. Are analytical, fast, composed, logical, detail-oriented. Full stack. Learn all of the languages for both front-end and back-end. Do mostly back-end work, but are also adept at front-end languages to manipulate how the site looks on the user's end. Innovative, disciplined, multitaskers. What is UI/UX design? UI user interface and UX user experience design focus on the look and feel of digital products, ensuring they are both visually appealing and user-friendly. Core technologies. UI design tools Sketch, Adobe XD, and Figma for designing and prototyping user interfaces. UX research tools like Hotjar and Usability Hub for gathering user feedback and conducting usability tests. Learning path. Beginner levels start with learning the basics of design principles, wireframing, and prototyping using tools like Figma or Adobe XD. Intermediate level explore user research methods, usability testing, and creating high-fidelity prototypes. Expert level master advanced topics such as interaction design, user psychology, and creating comprehensive design systems. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. UI/UX designers are in high demand as companies focus on enhancing user experience and design. Career paths roles include UI designer, UX researcher, UX designer, and product designer. Future trends expect growth in design systems, personalized user experiences, and integration of AI in design. Front-end development. What is front-end development? Front-end development involves creating the visual and interactive aspects of a website or application that users directly engage with. Core technologies. HTML, the structure of web pages. HTML hypertext markup language provides the skeleton of a web page. CSS styling and layout. CSS cascading style sheets is used to design the look and feel of a web page. JavaScript interactivity. JavaScript adds dynamic features and allows you to create interactive elements on your web pages. Frameworks and libraries. React, Angular, and Vue.js are popular frameworks and libraries that enhance and streamline front-end development. A learning path. Beginner levels start with HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. Intermediate level learn modern JavaScript features, responsive design, and frameworks like React or Vue.js. Expert level master advanced topics such as progressive web apps, PWAs, performance optimization, and complex state management. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. Front-end developer roles are growing rapidly, with a projected job growth rate of around 8% over the next decade. Career paths. Potential roles include front-end developer, UI/UX designer, and web developer. Future trends expect increasing demand for interactive web experiences, virtual reality VR integration, and enhanced user interface design. Essential skills and responsibilities for front-end developer. Design. Transform creative visions into captivating UI using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Frameworks. Harness the power of frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. UX. Craft seamless UX, ensuring intuitive navigation accessibility. Performance. Employ optimization techniques to enhance speed responsiveness. Mobile. Optimize websites for mobile devices using responsive design principles. Collaboration. With designers, developers, and stakeholders to bring ideas to life. Back-end development. What is back-end development? Core technologies. Server-side languages. Node.js JavaScript-based runtime environment used for building scalable network applications. Python popular languages like Django and Flask are used for building web applications and APIs. Ruby on Rails, a robust framework for building web applications using Ruby. Java widely used for enterprise-level applications due to its stability and scalability. PHP, a server-side scripting language that is widely used for web development, powering popular platforms like WordPress and Drupal. Server management, understanding server environments, deployment, and management. API integration, connecting front-end interfaces with back-end systems through APIs. Learning path. Beginner level start with basic server-side languages and simple database interactions. Intermediate level learn advanced server management, API creation, and integration techniques. Expert level focus on scalable architectures, microservices, and cloud-based solutions. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. Back-end developers are in high demand, with a focus on building robust and scalable systems. The job market is projected to grow significantly. Career paths roles include back-end developer, systems architect, and database administrator. Future trends. Advancements in cloud-native applications, serverless architectures, and improved data management are expected. Back-end developer salary. The average back-end developer salary in India is Rs 1,200,482 per year, or Rs 789,356 per year, while most experienced workers make up to Rs 2,443,929 per year. Databases. What is database management? Database management involves storing, retrieving, and managing data used by applications. It ensures data integrity and efficiency. Core technologies. Relational databases. MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle use structured query language SQL to manage and query data. NoSQL databases. MongoDB, Cassandra, and Firebase are examples of NoSQL databases designed for unstructured data and scalability. Database management systems. DBMS tools and platforms for managing databases and ensuring data integrity and security. Learning path. Beginner levels start with basic SQL for relational databases and basic data modeling concepts. Intermediate level learn about advanced SQL queries, database optimization, and NoSQL databases. Expert level specialize in database design, data warehousing, and big data technologies. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. With the rise of data-driven decision-making, database management roles are in high demand, with significant job growth expected. Career paths. Roles include database administrator, data analyst, and data engineer. Future trends. Expect growth in big data technologies, data warehousing solutions, and enhanced database security. Database developer. API development. What is API development? API development involves creating interfaces that allow different software systems to communicate and interact with each other. Core technologies. RESTful APIs. Representational state transfer. REST APIs use HTTP requests to manage resources and data. GraphQL. An alternative to REST, GraphQL allows clients to request exactly the data they need. API management tools. Tools like Postman and Swagger for testing and documenting APIs. Learning path. Beginner level learn the basics of RESTful API design, HTTP methods, and API testing tools. Intermediate level explore advanced API concepts like versioning, authentication, and rate limiting. Expert level specialize in API management platforms, complex integrations, and designing high-performance APIs. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. API developers are increasingly in demand due to the rise of microservices and complex integrations. Career paths roles include API developer, integration specialist, and API product manager. Future trends. Growth in API-first development approaches, enhanced API security, and increased use of GraphQL. Mobile development. What is mobile development? Mobile development involves creating applications for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. It includes both native and cross-platform development. Core technologies. Android development. Languages. Java and Kotlin are the primary languages for Android app development. Tools. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android development. React Native, a framework developed by Facebook for building cross-platform apps using JavaScript and React. Flutter, a UI toolkit by Google for building natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase using Dart. Learning path. Beginner level. Start with basic Android development using Java or Kotlin, or begin with cross-platform frameworks like React Native or Flutter. Intermediate level. Learn about advanced features, integration with APIs, and state management. Expert level. Focus on performance optimization, advanced architecture patterns, and integrating native functionalities. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. Mobile development continues to grow, with significant demand for both native and cross-platform developers. Career paths. Roles include Android developer, iOS developer, mobile app developer, and cross-platform developer. Future trends. Increased focus on app performance, integration with emerging technologies, and enhanced user experiences. Full stack development. What is full stack development? Full stack development involves working on both the front end and back end parts of a web application. Core technologies. Front end. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, and Vue.js. Back end. PHP, Node.js, Python, Django, Flask, Ruby on Rails, Java. Databases. MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Version control. Git and GitHub for managing code. Learning path. Beginner level. Learn the basics of front-end and back-end technologies. Intermediate level. Build full-stack projects, integrating front-end and back-end. Expert level. Focus on performance optimization, security, and scalable architecture. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. Full-stack developers are highly valued for their versatility and ability to manage both front-end and back-end tasks. Career paths. Roles include full-stack developer, software engineer, and technical lead. Future trends. Growing demand for versatile developers who can handle end-to-end development. DevOps and cloud computing. What is DevOps? DevOps combines development and operations to improve collaboration, integration, and automation throughout the software development lifecycle. Core technologies. Continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD tools. Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Circle CI automate the build, test, and deployment processes. Containerization. Docker and Kubernetes for deploying applications in a consistent environment. Cloud platforms. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud for scalable infrastructure and services. A learning path. Beginner level. Start with basic DevOps concepts and tools like version control, Git, and simple CI/CD pipelines. Intermediate level. Learn about containerization, infrastructure as code, IAC, and cloud services. Expert level. Specialize in advanced DevOps practices, automation, and security. Future scope and career opportunities. Job market trends. DevOps professionals are in high demand due to the need for efficient and reliable software delivery processes. Career paths. Roles include DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, and site reliability engineer, SRE. Future trends. Expect growth in automation, security practices, DevSecOps, and the adoption of AI/ML in DevOps processes. Roles of a DevOps engineer. Today we've explored the future scope and career opportunities in front-end development, back-end development, database management, and API development. Each area offers unique prospects and exciting opportunities. Let us know which area interests you the most in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into technology careers. Thank you for watching. Check the description for links to resources and further learning materials.